We've been doing a fair bit of flashlights in the last little while, but most of these flashlights, of course, have been head mounted, which I actually really like, but not everybody does, and a lot of people want a traditional, little more traditionally flashlight, which I get. So today we're looking at, I love this, the brand is FlashlightBrand, I think, or that's the website, FlashlightBrand.com. Maybe maybe the brand of the flashlight is LuminTop, but it's the D2, LuminTop D2. Now it comes in at $31. It gets 5-star reviews on 3 reviews. You can get 2 options. I don't know which one we have. I think we have the USB-C one. So you can get a USB-C one, right? So it charges via USB-C, or you can get one that comes with an 18650 battery. Now the bonus of each is that for someone like myself, I like to just be able to charge it with USB-C and it's kind of done. But if you are someone that is maybe going to be going away for a little while and want to make sure that their batteries and flashlight works, or if you're using this as like an emergency style flashlight, last thing you want is like you go to get the flashlight and you're like, oh, my flashlight is dead, but I can't charge it, of course, because we have no power. Being able to replace these 18650 batteries with another 18650 battery could be a better option. Now, if you do get it with the extra battery or with the 18650 battery, which are large, you are spending an extra $10. Because it's not going to be like an emergency flashlight for me, USB-C is probably the way I want to go. Anyways, we'll take a quick look at the specs on this, and we'll crack open the box. And then this weekend, we're going out to spend some time at my wife's aunt's cottage, and I'm going to bring this with me so we can see what it's like. Okay, so it says right now, LuminTop D2 1000 lumens Type C rechargeable outdoor flashlight. It says it's 35% off, and maybe there's a 10% off coupon. Oh yeah, so you can join your mailing list and get another 10% off. That's kind of nice. You guys can see the specs here. It says on the 18650 version, which maybe that's what's inside this that's charging, you should get about 82 hours. That's great. 4 modes plus a strobe and an SOS. 475 meter beam distance. That's excellent. Again, yeah, 18650 lithium-ion battery, USB-C charger, electronic side switch, and it's about 85 grams without the cells. It's also IPX8 and can be underwater, it says, for 2 meters. So that's great. And again, just some information there. So this is the box that it comes in. FlashlightBrand. That's the website. FlashlightBrand LuminTop D2. All right. And it's not going to be a big flashlight. So if you're expecting like a big MagSafe flashlight, that's not what you're getting. FlashlightBrand, a little user manual. You do get a little. I kind of like these actually. Just like a little magnetic, right? USB-C. I'm guessing that's what's going to go in. I'm guessing this is what goes into your computer. And I'm guessing this is what goes in the flashlight. That's the only thing. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's the USB. What a weird USB. It's going to go into the slot, fine. It's just a little different. It doesn't have the outside piece. All right, and maybe this goes in the flashlight. It's strange, hey? That's all. It's like a USB-A sort of ish, kind of different. You do get a little lanyard, which is great for putting this on the flashlight because you and I want to be able to make sure we have it. And is that it? Is that what is this? Oh, a little looks like a little clip. Does it say what it is? Flashlight manual, lanyard, a 1x adapter, and a box. I don't know what the adapter is for. Anybody know what this would be? Have you seen it? I don't know. But that's it. Empty. Okay. Don't lose that little adapter, I guess, if you need it. This, of course, would be where that little lanyard's going to go. You guys can see it. It's just a little spot right in there. It's going to go for the lanyard. This one, of course. Let's see. Is this anything? Can I undo this? Is this where the 18? Yeah. So there's that big, and I'm guessing this comes out so that it doesn't discharge the actual battery. there's that battery. So there's that 18650 battery. So that's a nice large battery. That's why it's, so it comes with one, but the other one, not USB, and I believe it comes with 2 of those batteries. Okay. This would be, sliding back here would be your intensity. Up top here is going to be your USB-C port. Now it does have a nice, that's a nice rubber seal for sure. And there is the light. Is there any kind of protector or anything like that on there? I don't think so. It's hard to, maybe there is. Yep, there is. So make sure you take that off, because I was like, that seems a little foggy. So make sure you get, there you go. See? That looks better. That looks much better. Okay, and that's kind of it. There's your clicker right there. You know, I'm guessing that's the logo. It looks like a little like a bunny rabbit, I guess. Okay, so what does it say here? Operation: 1 click to switch. 1 click to switch. Maybe. Press and hold the switch for a second. 1 click. Glow. I'm guessing I have to charge this. All right, so I'm gonna charge this right now, and we'll be back to continue. Okay. Okay, so I actually didn't need to charge it. One of the things you'll see is there's the little glowy guy, and I think this is kind of important, because if you're gonna throw this in your bag, it is drawing a little bit of power, and you can just kind of give it a little turn, and it just loses that power, right? So you want to make sure everything's nice and snug. So that's number 1. Now, first off, it does have, and we can see it here, if you tap on it once, it turns on. So it has, you guys may be barely able to see that, it has 3 intensities, actually 4 intensities. So you have low, you have medium, and you have high, right? So low, medium, high. But actually you can do a turbo. So if you go 1, 2, you get a turbo mode, right? You can actually see it there. So, right? So low, medium, high, turbo. I'm guessing the turbo is, you know, probably does a pretty big draw on the battery. And we can just turn it back down, of course. If it's off, you just hold the button for like a second or 2 and it goes off. Now, when it's off and you hold this button for 2 seconds, you get the strobe, okay, which is cool. And if you click it now when it's on strobe, you actually go to the SOS mode. So you get this kind of SOS that pulses right there. So I like that they're easy to figure out, right? Now the other thing that they have too is that they have this lock and unlock. So you want to, when it's off like this, so when you hold it, it says for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, right there. No, maybe. Yeah. What happens is it goes into this lock mode. So at that point in time, you'll see it doesn't turn on anymore. So if you had this in your bag or something like that, nothing would hit the button and make the flashlight turn on. So it's locked. And then basically, again, you would just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it unlocks. So, or it should unlock. Try that again. Press and hold, switch for 5 seconds from off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it goes. You get this little flash, right, that indicates that happened. So now you're back to normal, right? That's cool. I like that. Okay, we're gonna take this outside this weekend, and we're gonna see how bright it is in the nighttime. All right, stay tuned. All right, my friends, I was going to do this out at the cottage on the weekend, but time got away from me, and I ended up just not doing it. So I have the flashlight here. It's dark back here, and as you can see, you get this nice little green light, which I actually like when it's off, because you know where the power button is, right? So actually, maybe we can do it. We can even do it this way. So ready? Tap, we're good. You guys can see it. Like that's I think that's high, right? High? Well, maybe not. So okay, so there's low. So low's gonna get you by, right? Gotta shoot it that way. Low's gonna get you by. Medium, is that medium? I think that's medium. and then high. And it's got a good throw. Let's actually go to the back. Okay, we'll go to the back. Okay, this light should turn on here, I think. There it goes. All right, so we're in the back. I just gotta watch. This light puts out a lot of light. Again, it's got a fair bit of a spot to it, but like this is on like look, I can see all the way over there. Maybe you guys can't tell, but like I can see across the field. That's crazy. Then if you double click it, it goes to super bright, right? Like, yeah, that's nuts, right? That's awesome. Oh yeah, like that is so bright. It's got a spot, but when it's got distance, it's like crazy bright. Then you can bring it down a bit, right? Bring it to like super low if you need to. Okay, I'm down. And of course you do have, like I said, the other like SOS and the rapid flash and all that kind of stuff. So depending on what you need, yeah, it's handy, right? And that's on low right there. Yeah, I like this. And then for the price, that's awesome. Again, there's that little green glow light, so you know where to push. It's a win for sure. It's a handy little flashlight. All right, guys, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I'm going in the house. Later, guys.